stable. I don't lie to them, no favor. Rap dog country flavor. Now we worldwide, we made a big brand. Now our catalog is so major. Rodeo or rodeo, portfolio is so player. Tomato or tomato. Nas X or Big Nas, this shit live. Nas and Nas X.
Hello, good morning, students. Good morning, everybody. Hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the spelling class today. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hi. Nice to see you. Nice to see everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, we're going to quickly start with today's class. Everybody, I see here a couple of you. I see Silvana, Lira, Bruno. I see Elena, Alondra, Maria Ángel, Santiago, Eduardo. I also see there Miss Julie. Jimenez connecting her audio. Mr. Pablo, Luis Pablo. Eduardo. Very good. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and quickly take the list of the students that are in the class. Okay, so when you listen to your name, remember to say present. Everybody should be silent. Today, it's May 26th. And
Wait, me, teacher.
Pablo is here. Luis Pablo.
Present.
Santiago.
Present.
Silvana. Julie. Hello, Julie. Amsi. Amsi. Amsi is not in the class. Okay. Then we go Elena. Hello, Elena. Leah Fernandez not in the class also. Bruno.
¿Qué haces?
Santiago. Bruno.
Present.
María Ángel.
Present.
Elisa.
Present.
Alondra. Hello, Alondra. Now Jimena. Jimena is there. Marco.
Present.
Elia Nicole. And Pablo.
Present.
And Lyra. Okay, Lyra is over there. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, students, so very good. Now we're going to start, everybody paying attention. Well, for today's class, we're going to quickly start with our spelling review. Okay, we're going to go over and continue with the spelling review, students. We are reviewing what we're going to see on the exams next week. Remember, next week's our exams of English. So this is what we're going to start doing today. We're going to go over we're going to work on page 202. It's very easy. Then we're going to go to page 204. And when we finish these 2 pages, we're going to go over the words for week number 2, okay? But that's when we finish the first 2 pages. The only material you will need today is going to be your Pearson book. That's the only material you will need today. Only the Pearson book. You don't need nothing else. And well, your homework, it's going to study for your Spanish exams, okay? That's the only homework you have for today. Study for your Spanish exams, okay? That's very important for you to get good grades. So everybody's studying for your Spanish exams, okay? That's basically it. So let's start working. Very good. Just let me check who else came into the class. I see there Marco, Eduardo, Jimena, Luis Pablo, Libro, Eduardo, Santiago, Elisa. Okay, AMSI is back in the class, so I'm going to put here AMSI. We're just missing Lia Lagarda. Okay, very good, students. So we're going to start now, okay? Let me open here the Pearson book so you can see it. Okay. I'm opening the Pearson book. Okay, students, very good. Now I'm going to start sharing the Pearson book, okay? Okay, here we go. I'm going to start. Everybody take out your Pearson book. We're going to start working on our Pearson book. That's going to be on page 202, students. Page 202, okay? This is the page that we're going to start working right now. Yes, Bruno, what's the question? Let me open your microphone. What, Bruno?
Mr. Yesterday I can't come to class. The Friday, can you give me the dictation?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Don't mute me. I always mute myself.
Okay. Yes, don't worry, Bruno. Tomorrow or Friday, if you want, we can do the dictation again, okay? Very good. Okay, students. So this is the page that we are going to be working right now. It's very easy. It's a multi-syllable words page. You just have to put the words in order. For example, it says 3-syllable words, words that have 3 syllables, 4-syllable words, okay? It's a very easy page. There should be no problem. 3-syllable words are from 1 to 11. 4-syllable words are from 12 to 18. And 5-syllable words are only 2. So what you have to go ahead and the words that are here in the square, you have to go ahead and put them there. So go ahead and start working on it. I'm going to put some music, and at the end, I'm going to go ahead and ask for you to put your work in the screen so I can see it in the camera, and then we're going to answer together, okay? So everybody start working on it. I'm going to put, if you want to put some names of some songs, I can go ahead and put them, okay? So everybody put the names of the songs that you want for to listen. So you can go ahead and Blue. Okay, Blue, yes, I already know Blue. Okay, so Sunday Best, Monster, where is Blue? Oh no, not this Blue. Blue, here it is. It was the first song that was there, okay? Blue, Sunday Best, Monster, Blue.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world.
Thunder.
And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just
Okay.
blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blew his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself.
Okay, get to work, students. You have time for this. You will have a couple of minutes, so get to work. You should work this in 8 minutes, okay? Time's going to be running.
And everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I've been beat, I've been died, 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 I've been beat, I've been died. I'm blue, I've been beat, I've been died, 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 I've been beat, I've been died. Blowing down. Blue is the color I thought that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are blue. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my Corvette, it's standing outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think.
Yes, Nona, what's the question?
Teacher, I don't understand. When it says 3-syllable words, it has to be 3 syllables.
Yes. For example, you have to count the syllables of the words. And if it has only 3 syllables, you put the words that have 3 syllables.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Okay. Amsi, what's the question?
We need to put a word.
No, only put the answer.
Okay.
Santiago, what's the question?
Then can you put monster?
Okay.
Yeah.
Julie, what's the question? Open your microphone, Julie.
In what page is in the notebook we copy the answers?
No, it's on you have to do it on your Pearson book.
What
Okay.
page?
202 on your Pearson book.
Thank you.
Page 202 on your Pearson book, okay? Very good. Now, AMSI, remember it's in the Pearson book, AMSI, okay? Yes, Lyra?
Teacher, isn't just that Santiago choose blue with Sunday bass or other music but not monster?
Get to work. Don't comb yourself. Get to work. Get to work, Lyra.
Okay.
Yes, AMSI?
That's it.
Okay. Yeah, Leah?
What we do? What we have to do?
Page 202 in your Pearson book.
But what we have to do?
You have to put the words with the syllables. For example, if they're asking you for 3-word syllables, you have to put words with 3 syllables. For example, displacement, it has 4 syllables. So you're going to put it in the words that have 4 syllables. It's very easy. Of the words in the box here,
Thank you.
you have to go ahead and read the words in the top, count the syllables they have, and put them where they belong. if they belong on words with 3 syllables, if they belong with words with 4 syllables, or they belong on words with 5 syllables. Remember, words with 3 syllables are 11. Words with 4 syllables are 2, 4, 6, 7 words with 4 syllables. And only 2 words are going to be words with 5 syllables, okay? So check on that. You have 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes, students. It's a very easy page. You shouldn't take no longer than 6 more minutes. Yes, Julie, what's the question?
How to pronounce disagreeable?
Disagreeable. Disagreeable. Disagreeable.
Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue, I'm the beat of the night. 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 I'm blue, I'm the beat of the night. 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 I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my Corvette, it's standing outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue, I'm the beat of the night. 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 I'm blue, I'm the beat of the night. 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 Inside and outside, blue his house with the blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I'm the beat of the night. 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 I'm blue, I'm the beat of the night. 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 I'm the beat of the night.
Okay, everybody, we're missing 2 more minutes. Two more minutes, students, hurry up. Give me a second. I'm loading the music. Okay.
Estos días la gente se pregunta cómo y cuándo se recuperará la economía global de la recesión actual. Los usuarios de eToro.
2 more minutes, students. Yes. Santiago.
Mister, but you say monster.
There's a list there, remember. Check in the chat the order of the songs. It's Blue, then Sunday Best, then Monster, then Thunder, then we have no other ones. 1 more minute.
Feeling good, like I should. Ending up to walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you'll drown. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Feeling good, like I should. When in dark to walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you'll drown it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Feeling good, like I should. When in dark to walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark to walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine.
Okay, ready, students? Ready. Time to go ahead and go and check on through the answers. I'm not going to put the answers because we're going to waste a little bit of time, but I'm just going to go ahead and read the words, and I'm going to be putting them where they're supposed to go, okay? So everybody observe there where the words are, so you can go ahead and check where they are supposed to be, okay? Reaction, it says. Reaction. It's a 3-syllable word. Disagreeable. Disagreeable. It's a 5-syllable word. Misdealed. Misdealed. It's a 3-syllable word. Misdealed. Misdealed. It's a 3-syllable word. Sportsmanship. Sportsmanship. It's a 3-syllable word. Pre-recorded. It's a 4-syllable word. It's a 4-syllable word. Refreshment. It's a 3-syllable word. Undefined. 3-syllable words. Repayment. Repayment. It's a 3-syllable word. Incorrectly. It's a 4-syllable word. 4-syllable word. Unbreakable. Unbreakable. It's a 4-syllable word. Unhappily. 4-syllable words. Question questionable. Questionable. 4-syllable words. Incredibly. 4-syllable words. Declaration. 4-syllable words. Watchfully. 3-syllable words. Displacement. 3-syllable words. Displacement. Disobedient. Disobedient. 4-syllable words. Retirement. 4-syllable words. Gleefully. 3-syllable words. Midshipman. 3-syllable words. Okay? So those are the words, students. You should go ahead and put them where they belong. It's very easy. So I want for you to finish that. I already give you practically all the answers. And if you're ready to go to the next page, please put a number 1 in the chat. If you finish, put a number 1 in the chat. A 1, a 1, a 1, a 1 in the chat. Okay, Lyra finished, Shamsi finished, Julie, Maria Angel. Who else? Nona, Silvana, Lyra, Silvana, only 1. Lia Lagarda, Elisa. What happened with Marco, with Eduardo, with Lia Nicole, with Santiago, with Pablo, with Luis Pablo? What happened with all of you? Did you finish? Because I'm going to next page. Bruno finished? Okay. Ready or not? Here we go. Next page. Okay. Everybody, let's go now to page 204. Everybody on page 204. That's page 202, page 203, and then to page 204. Okay. This page, we're going to do it together. Okay. First, I'm going to do from 1 to 10 with you, and from 11 to 20, you're going to do it alone. Okay. It says, one who is sick or hurt may do this. A person that is sick or hurt. Remember, the words are tomorrow, written, often, current, borrow, bottle, suffer, lettuce, different, ridden, slippers, saddle, rabbit, odd, grasshopper, shutter, matter, bubble, worry, and hobby. Okay. One who is sick or hurt may do this. What is it? A person that is sick or that is hurt. It's a person that is, it's very easy. It's a person that is suffering, that suffers. A person that suffers, it's a person that is sick or is hurt. If you hurt yourself or if you're sick, you suffer. Okay? This is to take on Loan. This is to take on Loan. What do you think it is? What page? Page 204. Page 204. Page 204. Everybody on page 204, okay? Okay, everybody get ready for page 204. Okay, students, so let's continue. Remember, we're on page 204, and we are going to do this. Teacher, I have a question. Okay, what's the question, Alondra? Microphone is on.
What is mope?
What is what?
Mope.
Moke?
M-O-P-E.
I don't understand.
What is mope? M-O-P.
M-O-B, mop?
I'm going to.
Write it in the chat. Mop. Mop is when you are with the mop, you're when the water falls to the ground and you mop. The trapeador, mop. That's the mop. What is mop? Mop, it's to el trapeador. The mop. Okay? Now, number 2. To take on a loan. What is to take on a loan? When you are asking for something, when you are asking a person to lend you something, you are borrowing. You are borrow. You have to borrow. When you borrow something is that you're asking a person to lend you something, okay? This will comfortably replace your shoe. Okay, when you are not using your shoes in your house, you are using your what? Something that is very comfortable. Slippers. Okay, very good. Number 4, it says, everything on earth is made of this. Matter. Everything that is on earth is made of matter. Materia. Okay, the matter. Most salads are made of this, of a lettuce. It's very easy. This is something you do to pass the time, a hobby. Something you do to pass the time, it's a hobby. When you wash the dishes, you make this. What do you do when you wash the dishes? Let's see, borrow, bottle, lettuce, suffer, written, difference, slipper, sat, rubber, shutter. What do we do when we wash our dishes? We make all of this, or we bubbles, the bubble, huh? The day after today is this. The day after today is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day after today. Tomorrow, okay? Something strange or awkward may also be this. Something that is odd, something strange, something odd. One who has pedaled a bicycle has done this. What do you do when you pedal a bicycle? When you are in a bicycle, you are what? You're riding a bicycle. You have ridden a bicycle. So they're very easy, students. I'm going to go now to words from 11 to 20. So you can go ahead and complete them. I'm going to read them and I'm going to help you, okay? So just give me a second here. Those are the first words from here. The other 10 words, it says, write the list word that best completes the comparison. Smile is to relax, as mop is to mop. What do you do when you mop? Mop, it has 2 syllables. Yes, I know that Londra was asking this right now. What is mop? Okay, when you are mopping, it has 2 definitions. Mop, the first mop, it's like when you are mopping, okay? When you are cleaning. But it can also have another definition. When you are like very stressed out, or you are very like, okay, what is going to happen? You are what? You are very this. You are like, this is happening. It cannot be possible. You are very what? That's like, that could be mop, okay? Now, Leah is asking, what is tyrant? Tyrant, where is it says? Tremor, grass, bunny, traveler, check. Okay, Leah, what's the question?
What is shutter?
Shutter. Shutter, it's like Like when you are having a lot of cold and you are like trembling, that's to shudder.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Elisa, what's the question?
Teacher, what is grass?
Grass. Grass, zacate.
I don't know. In the
Number what?
number 2.
Road is to road rubber as grass is to. Yes, grass is zacate.
Zacate.
Yes, jardín. The little green plants that grow from the ground. Pasto. Grass. Who eats grass? What little insect eats the grass? Check it out there. It's very easy.
A grasshopper.
Very good, Nona. Yes, very good. Very, very good. Nice job. Okay. That's a grasshopper. So continue answering from 1 to number 10. They're very easy. Julie, what's the question, Julie? Julie, you don't have questions. Okay. I'm going to be here putting the words that we already used so you don't get confused with those words. Let me just go ahead. We already used tomorrow. We already used borrow. We already used slipper. We already used matter, bubble, lettuce. We already used hobby. We already used odd. We already used written. So those other words that you have there are the words that you can use on the bottom part. Write, written, offer, current, bottle, suffer, different, sad, saddle, rabbit, grasshopper, shudder, and worry, okay? Those are the words you can use, students. Okay, we're missing one. There's one that I didn't underline. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's one word. Let me look for it. Suffer. Okay, suffer. It's a word. Very good. So those are the words. Written, offer, current, bottle, different, saddle, rabbit, grasshopper, shudder, and worry. Something that it's mob, it's like something that is very like preoccupating, something that makes you what? Someone that is grass, a bunny, the other word for bunny, shake, when you shake. Light is to dark, a same is to, something that is same, something that is different from say. Seat is to buy, because blank is to the horse. Where you sit it in the horse is a what? Cereal is to box, as milk is to. Where do you put the milk? In what? In what container? Old is to pass, as new is to.